So what's up, family? Welcome back to the LeoKissez channel. If you are new here, thank you for dropping in, and be sure to subscribe. If you've been here, as always, I appreciate you for tuning in. So y'all, about 3 weeks ago, I started my wave journey. I uploaded like a review video talking about, why I cut my hair off and that whole transformation. So y'all can go check that out if you're interested. But now I have decided to transform again. I stay doing stuff. So this video is a quick and simple DIY tutorial on how I color my hair. All the products will be shown and added to the description box just in case you missed them. So this Torino brush, it does a very good job at, trying to define my, my wave pattern, because I ain't really sure like which way this will go. But this video isn't sponsored. So just a little heads up, I'm going to be using like a styrofoam cup to mix all my products. Yeah, that's just what I'm going to do. And if you want to see how it turned out, just keep watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button for more videos like this. And now for a quick dance break, okay? Okay, so let's do it.